All right, guys, we are very excited today to announce to you electric drift trikes. What? That didn't go well. Whoa!
Oh my god! Dude, they're so fast! Oh! These are like so good.
I got that first try. I got that.
Buddy, what do you think about it? What do you think? It's very fun.
So I'm gonna pull Nigel into this. He's gonna ollie from here and clear the bank and land in here.
I hope I have enough speed for that.
It's a me, Mario.
Oh! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Yeah, it's doable. Betty almost killed me just now. At least my ankles, they're already bad.
Dude, I didn't know you could get any crazier or more fun than the regular drift bikes, but here we are with something new.
Oh yeah.
He took a chunk out.
My butt hurts so bad on this thing.
Fetty is just, he's too good, man. He's the master of the regular drift trikes, and he's the master of the electric ones, too. Not the Delta Wings, that's all Uzi Daniel over there. Oh my god.
Oh!
Right here. Oh, Fetty! Oh! Oh, just crawl it out! Oh! Oh no!
It's like crawling a leg.
Oh no! Oh, actually, watch out, you're probably gonna die.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! That was fun.
Alright, watch out. Dude, yesterday when we were testing them out, Uzi fully ran over my foot. And he didn't realize he was on my foot, and then the wheel was just on top of my foot.
Oh!
Dude!
They're literally pieces of the ramp. No, Fetty, no!
Told you we need that new top fly.
Oh no.
You can't tell me these won't make it down the Braille drop.
This one will make it down the Braille drop.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, will you take this one down the Braille drop?
Hell yeah.
We got that on camera. Folks, we got that on camera. Nigel said he'd take these down the Braille drop.
I do not condone this in any way, shape, or form.
That's making it down the Braille drop, man. Yes.
No, it's not. He already started to go end over. Down the Braille drop, he would die. He would die.
That's just about as big of a drop as it would be during, like, going onto the ramp.
This is madness!
Dude, these are the best things ever.
No! Fetty, no!
Did you see the disrespect? He revved at me to get my attention. Did you see that?
He's so confident and so steezy as he rolls.
He just went. I was like, oh, okay, just sorry. Oh, these hurt more, huh?
Yeah. No, Sophie!
I got it.
Someone please do a 360 with Carlos on the back.
Carlos!
Oh my gosh!
His kidneys crawling out! He just fully ejected like, bonk!
You know what happened yesterday?
I think if you hug onto him, you got it. Oh my god! Oh my god! I knew that was gonna happen.
Hook underneath the armpits. There you go. I'm gonna pin it. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Okay, wait, Nigel. Now do one, gun it full speed, and then do it.
Carlos, hold the hell on. 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
I told you, trust me.
That was amazing!
Trust me.
Full send!
Right?
Okay.
Watch her arm! Watch her.
Oh yeah. Oh no! Oh no! There we go. You moved the whole pod! You want to do a kicker jump?
I was thinking the kicker up there, just into the bank.
Oh! Oh!
Took my skin off my thumb. Oh yeah, we're good.
The most epic jump in history.
I think that went perfectly.
Note to self, don't put your head down and spin in a circle. It's not fun.
Oh, it's perfect. Let's do it. All right.
God.
He has to land so perfectly centered or he's dead.
All right, it's dead center.
Oh! You got his back? Fullest of all sends! Leave me alone!
What's wrong with the world these days?
Why are we like this? Just, oh yeah, that's a good idea. Let's just take trikes down ledges that are skated.
Go ahead, I know you want to fit your hook here. Something smells like it's burning.
My soul.
Yeah!
Now that the hubba is possible, the possibilities are endless. Aaron says it's not gonna work.
There's no way that's gonna work. He's gonna hit the front of it and die.
And you said it wasn't gonna work. Oh! Oh no! Crawl it out! Just crawl it out!
Ow. My knee went straight into that front bar.
His kidney!
All right, world champion drift triker of the United States of America, what do you think of this versus the regular trike?
I like the regular trike more.
Why?
Takes more skill.
That was the best answer I could have asked for.
All right, guys, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had a blast making this, and we hope you have a blast watching it. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And yes, I did my very best to get some skateboarding into this video. Thank you. Learn to skateboard. We want more people skateboarding all over the world. Get a skateboard and learn to skateboard. It's really, really, really fun. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Leave a comment below. And click right here to watch a whole bunch of really incredible videos, and right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com, where you learn how to skateboard. That's what we do. We teach people how to skateboard when we're not riding electric drift bikes.